right place. Today, I'll walk you through the complete process of creating a Shadowsocks server and using it with the HTTP Injector VPN app. Whether you're a beginner or just curious about Shadowsocks, this step-by-step guide will make it easy for you. So, let's dive right in. To begin, we need to create our own Shadowsocks server. Here's how to do it. Open any browser on your device and type UDP Custom in the search bar. From the search results, click on the official UDP Custom website. Once on the homepage, locate the menu icon, usually shown as 3 horizontal lines, and tap it. From the list of options, select SS Servers. You'll now see a variety of protocols. Choose the Shadowsocks option. Select your preferred server location from the list provided. After choosing the location, click Create. On the next screen, solve the reCAPTCHA, then click Generate. In just a few seconds, your new Shadowsocks server will be ready. Copy the server details as we'll need these to configure HTTP Injector in the next step. Now that we have the server details, let's configure HTTP Injector VPN. Open the HTTP Injector app. On the home page, tap the arrow-style arrow button just below the Start button. A new screen will open showing the server types. Tap on Tunnel Type and choose Shadowsocks. Leave the connection method as it is, and then click the Save button. Now it's time to import your Shadowsocks server. Tap the gear icon Settings at the top. A new settings window will appear. Tap on Shadowsocks. On the next screen, click the small plus icon at the top right. A pop-up window will appear. Here, paste the Shadowsocks server details you copied earlier. Tap OK, and your server will be successfully imported. Finally, return to the home screen and press Start to connect. You're now connected to a secure, fast, and unlimited Shadowsocks VPN through HTTP Injector. And that's it! You've now learned how to create a Shadowsocks server and configure it inside HTTP Injector for a smooth and private browsing experience. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.